Hello one more time. Today we will continue our journey through the English phonics in the alphabet with the letters M, N, and O. We will begin with the letter M. We will find it in words such as money or monkey. Next, we have the letter N. We will find it in words such as new or national. Finally, we will practice the letter O. The letter O is a vowel, which means it has a short sound and a long sound. The short sound of the letter O is O, and we will find it in words such as ox or not. The long sound of the letter O is O, and we will find it in words such as code or pole. Now let's practice with some words. First, we will practice with the letter M. Please repeat after me. Monkey, milk, money, mouse. Great. Next, some words with the letter N. Please repeat after me. Nut, net, nest, nose. Very well. Next, we will focus on the short sound of the letter O. Please repeat after me. Octopus, ox, ostrich, olive. Very good. Now we will practice with a sentence. Remember, first I will pronounce the sentence at a conversational speed. Then we will cut or separate the sentence in parts. Finally, we will do a back chain drill. We will put together the sentence from the last word to the first one. Okay? So today's sentence is a monkey and a nest. A monkey and a nest. A monkey and a nest. Please repeat after me. A monkey and a nest. Very good. Now the back chain drill. Please repeat after me. Nest. A nest. And a nest. Monkey and a nest. A monkey and a nest. A monkey and a nest. Perfect. Remember that you can listen to this episode as many times as you deem necessary. Well, that was it for this episode. If you liked what you heard, please like, share, and subscribe. If you didn't like what you heard, I thank you for listening this long. I will see you in the next episode.